fractions. So when we divide fractions, we have to invert the second fraction and multiply. So we're going to change this problem into 5a to the 5th x over 4x to the 5th, leaving the first fraction alone, but then we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 8x over a to the 3rd. I usually like to work with my numbers first. I can't cancel the 5 with anything, but I can reduce the 4 and the 8. 4 goes into there once and into there twice. Then I like to multiply across the top. 5 times 2 is 10. I have an a to the 5th. And then I have an x and another x, so x squared. On the bottom, we've canceled the 4, so I have an a to the 3rd and an x to the 5th. And then canceling out my variables, I can cancel out the a to the 3rd and the x to the 2nd. So if I take a to the 3rd out of there, it leaves me an a squared up on top. 5 minus 3 is 2. If I take out the x squared, I'm going to take 2 off of 5, so I get x to the 3rd on the bottom. So I get 10a squared over x cubed for my answer. So number 17 here. Again, we're dividing fractions, so we have to invert and multiply. So we're going to take the 2y over 5b, if I read it right, times the reciprocal 15b to the 5th y squared over 4y. So what can we do with that one? Cancel the 5. 5 goes into 5 once and into 15 3 times. And the 2. 2 goes into 2 once and into 4 2 times. So on the top we would get
15. Wait, no. I didn't do it. So you beat in the 5th y and 3rd over 2by.
3b to the 5th y to the, whoops, 3rd. You said 3rd.
Yeah.
And I wrote 2nd. 3rd.
2by.
And 2by. So on there we can cancel out
1b and 1y.
1b and 1y. So we have a b to the 4th and a y to the 2nd. So we get 3b to the 4th y squared over just a plain old 2. And one last one on this page. So again, we are dividing fractions. We have to invert and multiply. So 8x to the 3rd y to the 4th over 9y times the reciprocal 3y over 4x. What can we do with that one?
2 goes into 4 twice, or 4 goes into 8 twice,
So,
and then 3 goes into 9.
so we can cancel out 4 and we can cancel out 3's. So on the top we're going to have
2x to the 3rd y to the 5th.
2x to the 3rd y to the 5th, and on the bottom
3xy.
3xy. We can then cancel out
1x, 1y.
1x and 1y. And so our answer
2x squared y to the 4th over 3.
And there it is. Alrighty, that should be the first 6 things then in chapter 6.